Lies, it's all lies. I would never wear the same outfit 2 days in a row. Welcome back to my Valentine's special part 2. We've got a visitor. Dixie, come here. Come on. Anna? You want to say hello? Now, if you missed yesterday's video, the links are all below so you can catch on up. Today I am doing an epic wings makeover. Now, these wings come with a bit of a story. They were very expensive and I saved up for a really long time to get them. And then when they arrived, they were a bit disappointing. They felt very unfinished. I feel I could have easily made them myself. So I've had them lying around. I used them once and there was significant damage after the one performance and I was very careful with them. It was literally just unfurling and spinning around. So really disappointing on that. But we're gonna turn a negative into a positive and make over these babies into something spectacular. You ready? There were a couple of gaps between the days because I actually did myself quite a bit of damage not stretching before each session. It happens as you get older. You have to stretch to do work. I've also had a very rough month and they do say what's bad for the heart is good for the art, so. No one should ever do this much rhinestoning. It's stupid. I was so glad once they were done. For anyone wondering, it took a solid 5 vacuumings to get all the glitter out of the entire house. So now is where I get to taunt and tease you and make you wait a couple of days until the 14th, which is Valentine's Day, to see the final result. Thank you for joining me once again. I hope you enjoyed today's video.